full-blown bull market is in effect. I'm calling it right here. So how do I know this? What are some of the indicators? So first and foremost, obviously we had the aggressive move with Bitcoin off of like the $51,000 level, went clear up, like touched like 63, 64,000. I guess Coinbase even, you know, had some outages and stuff. Surprise, surprise. We've seen this before every time the volumes get intense. But that tells me retail has came back, not just the people coming in through the ETF products. We've got people coming in through their, you know, Coinbase accounts or Kraken accounts, all this kind of stuff. And so that's first and foremost a big indicator. Obviously, we're getting close to the all-time highs with Bitcoin being 69,000 from 2021. So that in itself is an indicator. Volumes are still a little bit lower than what they were in 2021 for that and in many other projects. But the other indicator that I have is when people lever out like crazy, they're looking for more money, more money, more money. So what they do, they get on stuff like the Binance Smart Chain and they get on these money markets like Venus. They will lever against their other assets, which can be extremely lucrative. There's a lot of different opportunities you can do there. But what I noticed is the stable coins, if you post collateral in USDC or USDT, that kind of stuff, it was going well beyond 20% for a return if you post collateral. So, you know, 22%, 23% if you post the collateral. Now to borrow USDC or USDT, it was literally like even 30%. So this tells me that people are searching for more money. They are trying to lever out, lever out, lever out. Now, how can you utilize this to your benefit? Now, if you have tokenized Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, all these different assets on the Binance Smart Chain, you could post as collateral on Venus, borrow DAI against it because DAI was going at a lower rate, and then trade that for USDC or USDT, and then post that as collateral. Borrow against it again, borrow DAI against it again, and then trade it for USDC or USDT, and then post that as collateral again. Borrow DAI again, you know, so you do this looping structure. And you can actually really, really crank it up. Now, eventually, this kind of quote-unquote loophole or this spread will shrink, because as more people see this opportunity, they will take advantage of it, and you know, that opportunity will close itself up. But for the time being, I'm seeing a lot of those types of opportunities present themselves. And when we're in a full-on bull market, which, again, I'm calling it that we are at this point, you start to see all these opportunities pop up. It's like, oh wow, okay, this went up, so there's a little bit more money over here, or I could take this money over here, I could trade for this meme coin's popping off, I could put it here, ride that rocket for a bit, jump over here, and you know, so a lot of opportunities start to present themselves, and I'm seeing them all over the place. Sorry about the shakiness, guys. This is a rough road. They need to repave this. So that being said, we are in a full-on bull market, and retail has woken up in the last 2 days. They cannot help but look at this and kind of see what's going on, and you start to see the stuff take off. Solana, like, let's say for the chartology type people, Solana's looking very good, but also if you just look from a fundamental standpoint, a lot of the meme coins, a lot of meme tokens like WIF, Dog WIF Hat, and BONK, those are popping off, and those originated on Solana. So you get people, and you got people going after the Phantom airdrop as well. Phantom, when I'm saying Phantom, I'm not saying Phantom with an F, I'm saying Phantom with a PH, and it's the wallet that's for Solana. People are going after that airdrop, so they're trying to keep, you know, they're trying to be active and stuff through the Phantom wallet. So they're interacting with Solana a lot, and the chart, for the chartology people, the chart looks good because it's kind of this, whatever you call it, you know, this teacup looking thing, you know, where it sagged back and then it came back up, then it did a little mini dip and got the like little handle of the cup. I know this is a little bit of hocus pocus, but these people look at this and it looks good. And I was seeing that the last few days and stuff. So I stacked more Solana, and I do see it continue its upward trend as people chase these meme tokens that are on Solana. They chase the Phantom airdrop, they chase other stuff, and stuff just absolutely goes crazy. The money markets, there's more opportunity to post liquidity, to engage in these liquidity pools, and just everything reawakens. So again, take it for what it is, guys. We are in a full-on bull market. It really has started 2 years early, essentially. If you kind of go back to late 2023, obviously with the hype of the ETF. Now we have the narrative of the halvening coming up. So a lot of these boomers are finding out that for the first time. So, you know, they're buying up this ETF product. Some of the stuff's getting soaked up on the back end, and then it benefits everything. You see Doge taking off. Again, you know, I jokingly say all roads lead to the Doge. There is a lot that you can do with Doge. Obviously, it's on every single exchange, essentially. And, you know, it ends up being a good intermediary, because a lot of times withdrawal fees are lower for something like Doge than it is for something like Bitcoin. And so people use it to, you know, send money exchange to exchange. And when you look at the chart for Doge, to me, it just looks like a clear path, you know, to get back to 25 cents pretty quick. And with these aggressive moves that we've had the last couple days, it has awoken, and people are looking to get that multiple. So they're looking for this 3x, 5x quick. You know, something like Doge could be the answer. So anyway, guys, that is the video. And yeah, we're back. So get active if you haven't been active. And a lot of opportunities out there, guys. Follow me on all social media at Brian Phobos, YouTube, Instagram, Steam, and Twitter, Hive, D2, Blur, everywhere.